Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Gajanan Khanmunde from class 8 Lily. Today I am going to discuss about the sound. Lesson number 13. What is sound? Vibration that travel through the medium and can be heard with the help of eardrum is called sound. How does sound produce? Sound is produced when a vibrating body takes place. For example, ringing of the bell, dripping of water. There types of sound: loud and pleasant sound, audible and inaudible. What is vibration? Vibration, the to and fro or back or forth motion of an object is called vibration. Vibration. How does vibration take place? Vibration sound is produced when an object is struck hard on an object which was not huge. Example first. When a bell is struck harder, it vibrates and produces ringing sound. We get to know that the period that got over when bell rang. Third one, when we strike the metal plate or pan, we hear sound produced by striking them. Now we are going to activity. Before going to activity, I am going to tell you some important points. First, sound needs medium to travel. Example, air, water and gases. While listening to music, its volume should be at least 0% to 60%. If we listen music or television at high volume, it can cause hearing impairment by damaging eardrum. To reduce noise pollution, factories should be away from residential area and also by planting trees on roadside prevent noise from getting in residential area. So we are going to activity. So I am going to tell about the Jaltron. This is my activity. Each glass is full of water. One glass is half, another glass is less half, and the one is full less of water. Then I will explain you the difference between the sound. When I take the first glass and then hit it, it will produce sound. The sound produced is different. Now I will hold glass in another way. The glass will vibrate. When I touch it from this side and hit it, it produces less sound. And when I hit it from this side, then it will vibrate continuously. Then now I am going to the second glass. So second glass is less half and I have hold it from this side carefully so that water will not fall and glass will also not fall. Then here I will try it. Again the voice is different. When I try to hold it from this side, again I hit it. When I see that the water also will create vibration, not only glass but also every body. Now this glass is less half, means it is less water in quantity. When I hit like this, it disappears in 0.1 second and then another one here. When I struck it harder and I will hit it, sound is bigger. When I struck it here, it disappears automatically. This shows that this is the activity of Jaltron. Now we move to the next activity. So we are now at another activity. This activity is known as vibrating disc produces wave. So my first tip of this is I have water which I used for the previous activity. Then I pour in it. pour in the plate, and then I have food which is good for it. Then this is the dish which has water. This is the dish which has water, and I have a spoon. Now I am going to show you that vibrating dish produces wave. Here. Now I will strike it. We see that the wave has been produced by vibrating. And again I strike through this side. The wave produced are very different, which means if I hit from its edge and then I hit it gently, then it will produce wave. From this side I hit it very hard and it is unable to produce wave like this. Water is moving from this side with the wave. So this was activity of vibrating disk produces wave. Now we are moving to next activity. Now we are at the next activity. This activity tells us that the process of eardrum. Okay, then I have a mobile. I have dropped it inside the bottle or a can. I have played this inside. I use it instead of balloon. So I have dropped some drink. Now I will call through my father's phone. Now you will feel that the nuts vibrating and moving from one side to another. Here. So this procedure is that about the important function of eardrum. Thank you.